Listen, lift it up for you. This lemon trick will make you brand new. Brand new. Burn that fat, boost your mood. Stick with me, I'll show you the truth. Slice it up, squeeze it tight. In warm water feels just right. Add some ginger, a little spice. Thermal boost is twice as nice. Lemon's packed with vitamin C. Flushes toxins, sets you free. Morning drink on an empty tank. Your metabolism will say thanks. It's no magic, gotta work that plan. Pair it with workouts. Be the best you can. Healthy eating's the way to go. Lemon love will help you glow. Now you know it's time to start. This lemon drink will fuel your heart. If you like this tip, hit that like and share it with friends. Let them join the hype. The lemon wrap is here to stay. Sip, glow, and own your day. See you soon, now take the lead. With this lemon drink, you'll succeed. Now you know it's time to start. This lemon drink will fuel your heart. If you like this tip, hit that like and share it with friends. Let them join the hype. The lemon wrap is here to stay. Sip, glow, and own your day. See you soon, now take the lead. With this lemon drink, you'll succeed. The lemon's packed with vitamin C. Flushes toxins, sets you free. Floats you free. Morning drink on an empty tank. Your metabolism will say thanks. Let's say thanks. It's no magic, gotta work that plan. Pair it with workouts. Be the best you can. Healthy eating's the way to go. Lemon love will help you glow. Now you know it's time to start. This lemon drink will fuel your heart. If you like this tip, hit that like and share it with friends. Let them join the hype. The lemon wrap is here to stay. Sip, glow, and own your day. See you soon, now take the lead. With this lemon drink, you'll succeed. You'll succeed. You'll succeed. You'll succeed. Now you know